something crazy just happened that proves, well, how can you explain this? People all around the world just did meditations together at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 9 o'clock to pray for rain in that Amazon rainforest, because there's forest fires going on in places where it's the dry season. And there's live streams you can get of the Amazon rainforest. And I just looked at a live stream and everyone's going crazy because there's a thunderstorm happening right now. This is like a few hours after thousands, maybe tens of thousands, maybe more people around the world all got together, connected, and asked for rain. There's now thunderstorm in the Amazon rainforest. Like, that is crazy, right? I did this meditation, you can check it out on my page. It was using Ho'oponopono to clear things inside us, because I believe everything is a reflection of what's happening inside us. And so when there's chaos in the world, when there's big natural phenomenon, earthquakes and volcanoes, and it's because of what's going on in the collective consciousness. And so using Ho'oponopono and other techniques can be really powerful. But so many people, I had other friends who were connecting as well. They ran their own meditations. We all came together. Over 1,000 people have seen mine already. All came together, cleared our own energy, connected with the earth, offered our love, offered our prayers. And if you go check out the live stream now of the Amazon rainforest, you see pouring down with rain. And every single one of you who took part did that. And even if you didn't do one of the meditations, even if you just sent a prayer, even if you just sent love, even if you just gave it your awareness, this is like you had a big part in it. Every bit of attention you give, every bit of energy, all helps. The earth is here to support us. The earth loves us, and sometimes we just have to just give it our awareness, right? Just say thank you and I love you and I'm sorry and please forgive me, and ask the earth to help us clear what's inside of us. The whole planet is shifting. I'm sure you all know about this, right? This isn't news. The whole planet's waking up. We are on this ascension path. Everything's shifting. This is just pure physics, by the way. This is no spiritual nonsense. So we're moving into a different part of space, which is a higher vibration. So the vibration of the planet of the Earth is raising, and everything on it, therefore, that raises too. And so we're literally shifting these low vibrational programs and energies that just don't serve us anymore. And so when there's transformation, there's always chaos. And I talk about this on my YouTube channel. There's chaos, right? This is part of the transformation. The caterpillar turning into a butterfly, the chicken coming out of an egg, right? It has to break out. It has to be a bit of destruction for there to be balance. It's all a part of the creation destruction cycle. It just has to be death for there to be life. And I'm super looking forward to us all moving into this place where we are more loving, we are more compassionate, we are connected. And a big part of the meditation that I did is this principle in quantum physics. It's absolutely amazing, called quantum entanglement. And this basically teaches you that every particle in the universe is connected to every other particle in the entire universe by this thing called the quantum web. And when something shifts for one particle, it affects every other particle. So right now, every particle in your body is connected to every particle in my body. They are communicating. We are communicating now at the cellular level, at the atomic level, deeper than that, subatomic, right? This quantum level, we are communicating. You are getting upgraded as we speak. I am getting upgraded by you as we speak. The more time we spend around these amazing people, the more time we spend together, like working together, harmonizing, we all shift. Everything shifts. This is the magic of what we did today. So I got guided to do this process. It all happened very fast. It was like within 30 minutes. of me walking home, I got told to do this Ho'oponopono process. I've never done this before for the earth or I've never done anything like that before, first time. But I trusted, and I know I just played a small part, and everyone else did their thing. Well, one woman, she said she watched it and she just had these tears streaming down her face. All this grief came up from the planet, and yeah, now it's raining in the Amazon. So let's just keep sending our prayers, keep sending our love. This is the dry season, so we just want it to rain as much as it can, so that basically the issue is when there's not enough moisture there, when it's very dry, things catch fire easily. And there's a lot of farmers and things in the Amazon as well who set fire to their waste, which is kind of insane, right? So we can send them love too. There's been over 70,000 fires just in the Amazon, and it's not just in the Amazon, it's in other forests as well. This happens all over the world during the dry season. But this is the power that we have when we come together. Thank you all for your energy, your contribution. I love you, I love you, I love you. And together we really can do anything. That's the slogan for my Speakers Academy. That's my slogan for my business, that together we can do anything, and this just proves it. And I'm going to be telling this story for a long, long time. And if we start telling these kind of stories, can you imagine how we can impact the world? Imagine, go tell your kids that a group of people got together on the internet, prayed for rain, and it rained. Like, go tell them that. It's insane. Imagine what they believe they can do. Tell your kids that we're connected at the deepest level, that every particle in their being is connected to every particle in the universe. Right now, every cell in your body is speaking to every other particle in the universe. Just contemplate that. All right, I get very excited. I love you all, and I am just, thank you.